Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to be looking at 5 CAPCUT alternatives. Now we know that CAPCUT helps you unleash your inner filmmaker, transform ordinary videos into cinematic masterpieces. While at the same time, you might need some alternatives. Whether you're a casual TikToker or an aspiring filmmaker, we've got you covered. So are you ready to ditch CAPCUT and discover the video editing app of your dreams? Then let's go. Because you deserve a video editor that is fun, easy to use, and packed with features with no watermarks or frustrating limits. The first on our list is InShot. InShot is the first on our list. InShot, you can see it's very nice. Now, InShot is best one if you're looking for a video editor that is both powerful and user friendly. It's like a new best friend. It's like the Swiss Army knife of video editing. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike. An excellent choice for anyone who wants a powerful, easy to use video editor without breaking the bank. The free version is great for casual users and the pro version is worth the upgrade if you want to take your videos to the next level. So the benefits are ease of use. Seriously, a kid could do this. It just involves drag, drop, and you're done. Then it has all the essential features like trimming, filters, music, text, and more. Then you can save your masterpieces in all the popular formats and share easily to social media. Then you also have it's available for both iOS and Android, so no one is left out. Also, apart from the PC version. So we have the plans. The plans are free version, pro version. So for the cons, it has watermark on the free version, and then some advanced features are locked inside the pay wall. It can be slow on older devices. But there's no steep learning curve, and this is easy to use for beginners and even beginners. And there's lots of features for you to play with. So, why don't you give it a try? Next on our list is VideoLip. Now, VideoLip should go to video editor to create standout content, as you can see. So, if you want to feel like a pro editor, without the hassle, VideoLip is your answer. It is packed with powerful tools, but it's still easy enough for beginners to grasp. Think of it as a video editing app that makes you look more talented than you might actually be. That's right. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to take their video editing skills to the next level. It is powerful. As you can see, it's very powerful and versatile and just plain fun to use. While it might have a slight learning curve. Yes, it does actually have a slight learning curve, but the results are well worth the effort. So the benefits are ease of use, features like AI infinite zoom, you can see. Sometimes there are features like green screens, picture effects, just overlay sound mixing. You can save and share videos in high quality, no problem, and it's available for both iOS and Android users too. So you have the free version and the pro version. And also I would say the current has is that it can be overwhelming for beginners, yes. This can and strategies can be buggy at times. This is for the template, it's really good, so give it a try. Next on our list is the VN video editor. Now this is for all vloggers and content creators. Designed with you in mind. It is slick, powerful, and professional, and has all the tools you need to create polished videos that make your audience hit that subscribe button. As you can see, you need to download it for Mac, for Windows app, and for Android devices. You have to download it, you cannot access it through the web version. So, it's a fantastic choice for creators who want professional level tools without the price tag. Yes, it does have a slight learning curve, but the results are worth it. It has ease of use, the features are multi-layer timeline, chroma key, that is green screen, keyframe animation, and tons of customizable presets. You can export in various resolution formats, perfect for sharing on different platforms. It's available on iOS and Android desktop. I showed you this is it. but you have to download it. That's the only thing. So it is free, completely free with no watermarks or hidden fees. So and then the cons is that customer support can be slow. There's no built-in music library. Can be a bit confusing for beginners, and you have to download it. Next on our list is UCOT. Unfortunately, let's say the file on this server is blocking my connection. So maybe it's from my region. So you give it a try. But I can tell you about UCOT. UCOT is the best choice if you're looking for a simple, no-frills video editor. It's perfect for quick edits and basic video tasks. Think of it as the easy button for video editing. That's right. It's a great choice for Android users too. Only the quick and easy way to edit your videos. It is not the most powerful editor out there, but it gets the job done. So some of the benefits or features are ease of use. Features like trim, merge, add music, apply filters, all the essentials are there. And then you can export your videos in various resolution, including 4K, and it's available for Android users only. Unfortunately, iOS users are not having the benefit from this. So as for the pricing, it is completely free, but you might see ads. So the other con I could see is ads that are very annoying. They are available for Android also, and limited features compared to other editors. Last on our list is Filmora. So the Filmora Go. Now the Filmora, if you're looking for an editor that can handle both simple and complex projects, then Filmora is a choice. It's an all-rounder. It has a clean interface and tons of features, and it won't overwhelm you with options. That's right. It's suitable, it is versatile and stable for both casual users and those who want to create more polished content. That's right. It's easy to learn, fun to use, and offers a good balance of affordability and features. So the features: AI smart cutout, AI audio stretch, AI audio denoising, and auto reframe silence detection. So the benefits are ease of use, features like trimming, cutting, merging, adding text and music filters, overlays, and even some basic animation tools. You can get them there. So you can get a wide range of export formats and direct sharing to social media. It's available on iOS and Android too. So you have the free version and the pro version. So the cons I could see is that the free version has a watermark and some user support occasional glitches. And it can be a bit slow on all devices. So that's it. Now if you want to decide on the best for you, check this following key points. The first one is ease of use. Check if it is intuitive for quick editing. Check the features like filters, effects, text overlay, and music options. Check how it supports the video format and easy sharing. Then check the platform availability like iOS, Android, or web-based to suit your need. And lastly, check the price. Make sure it is free or affordable options. So that's it. So don't forget to do your research, test the product, all of them, and then compare the features, check through user reviews, and check the support and refund policies before you start. So don't forget to focus on pricing, features, the negative that is the cons, and the support or refund. It's simple as that. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.